We will do example 7 in this video. This is on page number 11, chapter 1, number systems. Okay. Now this question says, show that 0.3333 is equal to 0.3 bar can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Now, to understand this question, the language of this question, I will recommend you to watch the video in which I have explained what are irrational numbers. If you have already watched that video, you will be at least be able to understand the question. Now we'll understand how to do the question. Okay. So I again and again insist, watch the videos in order, don't skip, because in every video I'm explaining the concepts in very detail so that you will become independent. You will be able to do all the questions of your own. So now let me explain you once again a little brief. Here they have given you a number 0.3333 dot. Now here dot means this number is non-terminating. First of all, dot means the number is non-terminating. Second point, since 3 is repeating itself, 3 is coming again and again, so we call it repeating. So we've already learned in our previous videos, any number which is non-terminating and repeating is always a rational number. So this is very important thing to know. Okay. Now once we know this, let us see the question now. It says, show that this can be expressed in the form of P by Q. So the question is simply asking you to convert that decimal form to numerator and upon denominator form, and which you can do because it is a rational number. Any rational number is in numerator and denominator form. So again, one more important observation. This question says that this number is equal to 0.3 bar. 3 bar, here this bar means, this indicates that 3 repeats itself and it will never stop. For example, I give you another example, just for example for your understanding. Suppose I write down 0.12 bar. Can you tell me what is this number? Yes, this will become 0.12, 12 and dot. Because my bar here is on 1 and 2 both. So 1 and 2 both will repeat, and bar itself means don't stop. It won't stop. Let us take one more example for more clarity. Suppose the number is 0.56 bar. Here the bar is on 6, not on 5. So this number will be 56666 and so on. Is that clear to you? So I'm erasing these two because we do not require. This was just for your explanation. I'm erasing them. Okay, let us come back to the question now. Now the question says, write 0.3 bar in P by Q form. Okay, this is my question. So the first step is, write down let x is equal to 0.3333. Now the steps which I am following are standard. All such questions will be done in similar manner. If you understand this example, you will be able to do all the questions. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Now here, count how many digits are repeating. Only one digit is repeating, only 3 is repeating. So you will multiply this x by 10. Okay. So this becomes 10 multiplied by 0.3333 dot. Why I have multiplied by 10? Because only one digit was repeated. So I multiplied by 10. If suppose there were two digits which were repeating, we would have multiplied by 100. If 3 digits were repeating, we would have multiplied by 1000 and so on. So now what we will do? We will subtract these two. Subtract. Okay. Now let us do subtraction. So we have 10x is equal to, now this 10 into this will give you 3.3333 dot, and I will write x is equal to 0.3 just below this because I have to do subtraction, and we will do subtraction. This becomes 9x, and since here this part is exactly same, so this becomes 0 and this becomes 3.0. That means I have 9x is equal to 3. This means x is equal to 3 by 9. This means x is equal to 1 by 3. That's it. So the answer is 0.3333 is equal to 1 by 3. And you can also very easily verify in a rough column. Open up your rough notebook or draw a rough column. Divide 1 by 3 using a long division method. You will get the same answer, 0.3333. Understood? In case you still have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I will explain you. Okay?